Valencia boss Marcelino Garcia Toral was involved in a car crash on Sunday morning after he collided with a wild boar. The former Sevilla manager has been given the all-clear after being admitted to hospital following the accident, which took place on a stretch of motorway between Logrono and Bilbao. Marcelino was traveling home to Asturias to spend the holidays with his family when his car hit the wild boar, which was attempting to cross the road. Valencia find themselves third in La Liga after falling to a 1-0 home defeat to Villarreal on Saturday. Los Chi were unbeaten until the first week in December, but Marcelino's side have since lost 3 of their previous 4 games. They traveled to Las Palmas